Hello, welcome to the session. This is Gabriel once more from NgahTech Group. So today we are going to be looking at how can we install Python in our operating system or in our Windows operating system. So what you have to do is to go to your browser, you type the Python and you press enter. So the first link that shows up, you are going to click there and they will take you to this particular page. You can go to Python, go to download. Once you're on this page, you go to download Python. You go there, you are going to choose Python 3, that's 3.13.5. Okay. Once you're there, you click on download and it's going to download on your Windows OS. So once it's downloaded, let's go into my downloads and then I will check for Python. Okay, once downloaded, you're going to see it here. Just double click on it and click next. Go to install because I've already installed it. That's why it's showing like this. You just click next, 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 and next. Once you have installed that, you go now into your open your command prompt, cmd. You open and you type the Python version, and you are going to see it is there, Python 3.13.5 install. So that is how you can actually install Python into your on your machine. If you are on if you are using with Mac, you should see Mac, it should be there, and any other you are going to use to install, depending on operating system you are using, just follow the guideline and you are going to get it done. Thank you very much for watching and see you on our next video.